Do you all know tete? Yes. That is the first one. The second one is ewedu. That one is also very common too, most especially among Yorubas. If you have any party, if you have amala, that ewedu is very, very essential there. So that is the ewedu. Then the third one is what? Who can tell me? Ugu. So let's clap ourselves. That means we are familiar with this vegetable. Then the fourth one, what is the fourth one? Very good. I love this class. Then what is the fifth one? Ewuro, very good. Then the next one, ebolo. Wow, this is good. The next one, Igbo. The next one is Igbo. They use if you want to make good egusi soup. No, it's slightly bitter, so they can use it to make that egusi soup. That one too is very expensive in the market. If you see small one like this, they will tell you 200 naira, 100 naira. So then the last one, what is the last one? Amunututu. Wow. Let me clap for this class. So we all know these vegetables. But in terms of the importance, I want to tell you that tete, ugu, they are very, very important because they are of national importance. If you go to every region in the country, you see tete. Outside they call it alefo. It's very popular. The ugu too now is gaining popularity because it is believed that there is iron in ugu. And when you take it now, if you lack iron, when you take that ugu now, it will supply your body with those iron. So all these leafy vegetables, they are very, very important. Then let's now talk about terrestrial now, which is ugu. Terrestrial is ugu. So it's an important crop. It is grown for its leaf vegetables and the seed. And it brings better returns compared to other tropical leafy vegetables. Now if you go to Wele now, 100 naira quantity of ugu, I can count the stems. Now that we're in dry season now, madam, can you tell us, if you want to buy ugu for 100 naira now, how many stems can you count from it? Not the stems. Okay, okay. And if you look at it, it's so small that for a family of 5, if you want to eat really big ugu, you may need to buy like how much now? 500 naira. But during the wet season, you can buy like 300 naira. So the difference is not that much. So this ugu is an important vegetable. And I want to tell us that it brings better returns because of the importance and so on and so forth. You can produce the ugu when you sell it to the market, you find out that it brings better returns to you. Then the seed, we use the seed as the propagating materials. And do you know the meaning of propagating material? That is, if you want to produce it, you produce it through the seeds. Then the seed too can be boiled for some culture, most especially in the East. They used to boil the seed, they used to blend it, and so on and so forth. Then the leaf and the seed of Keferia, they are of high nutritional, medicinal, and industrial value because they are rich in protein, they are rich in fats, they are rich in vitamins, and therefore we advise our stakeholders that they should engage in the regular consumption of the leaves. So ugu is very important to the country. Then again, the production can provide all year round income generating employment opportunities for farmers with little capital investment. And why is this? Because this food that we are talking about, we consume it during the rainy season, during the dry season. So it is consumed throughout the year. So during the dry season, if you have irrigation facilities, you can produce it and it will be a source of income to you. And I want to tell us that vegetable production during the dry season is very profitable because the supply in the market will be reduced. And when supply is reduced, definitely they'll be able to command better prices during that time. So if you produce it during dry season, it's profitable, and if you produce it during wet season, it's also very profitable. So it's an income generating activity all year round that we can produce all year round. Then now, I want to tell us that gone are the days. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ó ti yàtọ̀. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ti yàtọ̀. So everything that we are doing now, with a very serious business. And I want to tell us that we see many people now coming from, even from other countries, that they want to invest in agriculture. I want to have my livestock. I want to produce vegetables. I want to pack it. For instance, now, if you go to some certain areas in Badagry and Lagos, they are exporting ugu out of Nigeria. Do you believe me? They are taking ugu out of the country. Every day like this, they take ugu to London to sell, and they will do too. So, whatever we are, let us be serious with it and believe in ourselves, because this is a very serious business. And so, therefore, if you want to go into that business, you have to ascertain that if I put my 1 naira to this, what will I be able to get out of it? So, we should be able to have that forecast. It is very, very important. So, we need to ascertain economic efficiency. That if I put my 1 naira into this, what will I get out of it? It is very, very, because I said that things are changing, because agriculture now is a very, very serious business. So in Tanzania production now, there are many businesses in Tanzania. Some people are into the seedling production. If you get Ele now, there are some women here, they will buy the pod, they will plug the seed, they will raise the seedling. What said the seedling of Ugu? And they said, the last time I bought, they said the seedling for 100 naira. So it's something that one can do too. Then some people are selling the pods. Some people are into the production, while some people are into the marketing. So these are the various business opportunities when you talk about Tanzania. You can go into the pod selling, you can be selling the seedling, you can also sell you can be a producer. And also now if you produce that, you can give to some people to market it for you. And if you are very aggressive, you can produce and also market yourself. So these are the various business opportunities that we can do in Ugu. Now, if you want to go into Ugu production, what are the resources? What are those things that we must put in place for successful Ugu production? Number one, who can tell me the first factor that we are going to need? Land. What is the second factor? Labor. The third factor, and the fourth factor. So these 4 factors, they are very, very important if you are serious about Ugu production. Again, our land, our labor, our capital, and our entrepreneur, they are very, very important if you are into serious production of any agricultural commodities. Then now, let's talk about land now. Land is a natural resource, and they could be made more productive by man depending on how we use the land. For instance now, if a land is not fertile, if you put organic manure there, the land will be more productive, so we can make it more productive. And then example of that natural resources also include the land, water, and local climate. So land is a natural resource that we use in production. Then labor, now that we are talking about, is a human resource, and we can obtain it from family, or we can hire some people to work for us. And we can combine the two, family and hire labor, to work on our farm, because the land cannot prepare the land itself. Somebody has to work on the land. So that one is also very important. Then family labor is the most common in smallholder farmers production, because in smallholder you are not cultivating large area of land. And if you are not cultivating large area of land, you can make use of the family labor. Higher labor is common in semi-commercial or fully commercial agricultural production. You know, as we are telling ourselves now that we should scale up from subsistence, we should turn towards commercial. That is, we are producing for the market. And if we are producing for the market, we are going to need labor. So labor is very important factor of agricultural production, because they are the one that will, all those activities, land clearing, planting, fertilizer application, and so on and so forth, they are the one that will deal with that. Then the next one is capital, and this can include our money, our equipment, because most of this thing that we are talking about now, sir? Okay, most of these things that we are talking about now, if you want to prepare our land, if you want to prepare our land, we need the money, we need the equipment. So capital too is very, very important. Then what is the fourth factor? The fourth factor is the entrepreneurial management. And this one that will combine all the other factors of production so that we make the best decision, the supervision and so on. So that is the work of the entrepreneur of management. So again, the four factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Thank you. Now, what are the categories of input that we use in production? We have two categories of input that we use in production. We have the fixed input and we have the variable inputs. The fixed ones, they do not change the level of production, e.g. our land. If I start with 2 plots, after my production